right, it is the weekend of a massive neighborhood yard sale that I go to every year. Usually I go with TJ, but Crewy is sick, and so I'm not wearing my seatbelt. Whatever, I can't. I've got to jump in and out of the car. Anyway, Crewy is sick, so I'm gonna be doing this by myself, but you guys cross your fingers for me because I really hope I find good stuff today. I was hoping this was a Lulu Sherpa, but it's actually Zella, which is sold at Nordstrom. Doesn't sell great, but I kind of wanted it for me. Okay, yep, this is absolutely a keeper. This is really cute. It's actually kind of a dupe for a Lululemon Sherpa sweater that's like a lot more expensive. And I think it's really cozy, and it'll be perfect for fall. So I'll just hang on to it until I'm ready to sell it. But yeah, you can't beat, like I went to the mall just the other day and I was like, this has ruined me. Yard sales, thrift stores, the bins, they've all ruined me because I cannot go into a store and pay $50, $100 for something when I know I can get it or have found similar things for just $1. So yeah, really fun. Always a successful day when I can find stuff to add to my own closet. Vince Camuto, another Nordstrom brand, doesn't sell great, but it's brand new with tags and I couldn't resist. For like fill a bag for $5. Orvis linen dress. Orvis is a pretty decent brand. These linen dresses sell for like $30 each. Back to back Madewell. Madewell doesn't sell super great, but it's fill a bag for $5, so I'm gonna grab them. Same with this Zara puffer. Comps were really good for this. Has a few feathers poking out, but I think I can fix that. Free Country isn't great, but I have sold it decently well in the past. Their quilted puffer jackets do better than like the other items, so I went ahead and I grabbed it. Same with this Under Armour hoodie. Full zip is better than pullover, and it had the embroidery on it. And of course, you know, when I see Air Force Ones, I'm gonna grab them. Even if they're a little dirty, I kind of think I can customize them. Okay, stop one. Yeah, this will be a project, but I'm kind of excited. I ended up paying $13 for all of this. And I mean, I'll have to clean some of this stuff up, but I think it'll be great. I think those are the best sales, when it's just like, fill a bag, we don't care. Fill a bag for $5, because then like I can just know that I'm not going to be kind of haggled by the time we get to the price. So yeah, it was 2 bags, $10 plus $3 for the shoes, and I will keep you guys updated. Future me is going to give you an update on those shoes if I was able to clean them up and maybe do something fun with them. This is really cool.
Yeah, it's done me well.
Yes, I'm sure.
System though, so
oh, I'm sure. I have
all my Canon stuff.
I have the Sony G7X, and then I have the M50.
Oh, nice.
Which is good, but I've always wanted to upgrade.
Really nice.
Yeah, yes. Okay, very cool. Okay, that was exciting. It's starting to rain. I'm about to weed out the true garage sailors. I think this will be good. I mean, $350 is a lot, but if I don't sell it, I can upgrade my own equipment, which I think will be really great. So altogether, the camera and lens could sell on eBay for like $600. I paid $350, which was a lot, but cameras move so fast. And again, I might be keeping that for me for YouTube, so I think that's a great deal. I love selling cameras and lenses. I've sold so many in my little reselling career. They always do great. So yeah, that was exciting. A little rain is not gonna get me down. I already look insane. It's funny because sometimes I'll see people who recognize me from YouTube and they're like, oh, I'm sorry for how I look. And I'm like, look at me. You're beautiful. I roll out of bed and I'm literally like embarrassing. So please never apologize. I'm not judging you. Please judge me. You should be judging me. This next yard sale, I went straight for these Vans. I knew right away they do well and they're in really clean condition. And I picked up a couple other pairs of shoes. Spotted these Chacos right away. I love selling Chacos. They're an excellent brand to resell. Definitely be on the lookout for them. How much for the shoes?
$2,
$2? Great. Perfect, thank you. And because it was like $1, I picked up these Catherine Malandrino like Dorsey sandals. So when I'm paying like $1 or $2 for things, you might be like, Ashley, why are you picking that out? It's just because I'm paying so little and I think I can flip it for a decent profit relatively quickly. But I mean, these I would pick up anyway. Vans are great, so I'm thrilled with that. And I'm looking at this and I'm looking at this here. How much? So that's $25. How much for the shirt?
It's my daughter's. Let me.
Okay, no worries.
Gray shirt, $2.
Okay, perfect.
So how's about we do 25 for the both?
Oh, great. That works great. Okay, back home. And you might have seen me grab this BMW motorcycle battery charger. I picked it up on a whim because I was like, I've picked up BMW related like stuff in the past and it sold really well. This, what did I pay? Oh, I paid $25 for both the North Face sweater and this. And I think this sells for like 65. So I think that was worth it. And the North Face sweater on its own will sell for like 25. So we made out okay at that garage sale. So at that yard sale where it just had the free sign, I was like looking for people and I was like, oh, everything's free, I didn't notice. This is a J. Crew scalloped hem swimsuit. It's more recent and I see a sold listing on Poshmark for $45. You cannot beat $0 into 45. I was thrilled to find this. Okay, so I paid $5 for this jacket. I'm not filming my interactions as much today because I forgot my GoPro and my IKEA bag, shockingly. Dang it, it's like a tradition now. I forget all of the essential things. Sorry, can I ask how much for the shoes and clothes? Generally, is like different or?
The shirts are like the shirts and socks are all new. I'll do $5 for the shirts and
Okay.
$1 for the socks. And the shoes, these are like safety shoes, and I know these pair of them weren't exactly ones. So.
Okay. Oh yeah.
So like,
oh, don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm happy to. Yeah. With the,
We are bargains here.
that's great. Thank you. Okay, so I paid. These are Aston gray boots, and then full boxer. They should each sell for at least 40, and I paid 10. So that's $10 into 80 to 100. So I'm happy with that. We love finding Eileen Fisher, especially for just $1. These linen pants are like a really good size. Oversized linen Eileen Fisher pants always sell consistently for me. This is an older tag vintage Banana Republic vest. You want to keep your eyes peeled for that. These sell really, really well. Their Banana Republic like Safari sells great. I headed over to the shoe section and I grabbed these Rock Rooster steel toe boots. Steel toe boots have sold well for me in the past, and when I'm at a yard sale, they're usually pretty cheap, so an easy pickup there. This is Wise Owl. It felt like really nice. I hadn't picked up this brand before, but the comps looked really good. This I have sold before. This is Lucky Brand. It is like a little leather backpack. I don't always pick up Lucky Brand, but when it's one of these styles of bags, they tend to sell pretty well for me. So I picked it up for only a couple dollars, as well as this Amera leather patchwork leather purse. Comps looked good too. Excuse me, can I ask how much for the manga books?
Which ones?
The manga books over here. Oh,
Would you sit in this support for
no.
Fine.
Oh
So,
yeah, no, it's
what
all
are you
good.
looking at?
I was looking at like just this box here.
This whole box?
And maybe like a few more.
Okay, there are a whole bunch in here.
Tons of good ones.
Yeah, my little brother was all about these. So.
Very cool.
Yeah. You can take a full box for 50.
Great. Perfect.
Work?
Yeah. Would you mind throwing in this one too?
Which one?
Like the Steven Universe?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sure.
perfect. Awesome.
There you go.
Okay, $50. I will, I think I have the cash. All right, I didn't look up all those books individually because I don't have time. Look, life is a lot more fun when you take a risk and you blind buy, but in the past, I've had a ton of luck with all these sets. So fingers crossed, but I think these will do well. We'll add them up at home. Future me is gonna jump in and tell you if this was worth it or not. All right, I'm at my desk, and I think the fastest way to get through these books is to just look them up by set. Well, I didn't look, as you guys know, I blind bought this. So we're gonna see if this was a worthwhile investment for me. Hopefully it was. I know the purses were, and I know the bags were. Those were dynamite. But we're gonna find out about these books. All right, so I have 20 of these. I don't know if they're in order. I haven't like put them in order yet, but I do see lots on eBay for like 20 books going for like $200. So that already made that investment back, and I have a bunch more sets. So let's keep investigating. Okay, I think another score is this, a Kame ga Kill. I have 7 of them in this set, and I do see a sold listing for $159. That could be for a different type of set. So I'm gonna lower my expectations on that and say like maybe $100 or maybe even 75. But that is great right there. So what are we at, like $300? I've got this omnibus. These two together are probably 30 bucks. And we're not even done yet. So this has made really good money. This Witcher omnibus seems to sell for like $20 on its own. So let's keep looking, but we've already made our money back and then a lot more. I think we scored actually big time.
Nice.
And then these two, Afro Samurai, together I see a sold listing for $40. Let's say 30 to be more realistic, because these aren't brand new, but they are in like new condition, which is great. I just have one more set to look at, but we are at, what is that, $200, $300, $400? And then I have one more set. What? Okay, and then for these, I see a set of 4 of them, or I have a set of 4. 3 of them sold for $31 plus shipping, so that's great. So we have like over $400 worth of books here, which means that little box here was a total score. I'm always on the lookout for backpacks, and Hugo Boss is a brand I like to pick up. This one has a little bit of wear on it, but I do still think it'll sell decently well. This is something to look for. It's Stephanie Schuster, and it's like a vintage style. This actually sells really well. So like 50, 60 bucks. I'm seeing really good comps here. How's it going?
We still have some Lululemon stuff left.
Hey, that's great. How much for this? This is kind of cool.
For this,
Yeah.
this, you know what? We'll do it for 15.
15
This
on
is
that?
actually really fancy.
Yeah,
It's nice.
Feels nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I could do 15 on that.
Perfect.
And then what's let me just peek around and
Yeah, you
see what
bet.
else you got. How much for this jacket? Oh, I like Mammoth.
That's a Lululemon jacket.
No, it's a Mammoth.
Oh, it's a Mammoth?
Yeah.
She was selling it. It's my sister's. Oh,
Yeah.
this one's damaged right there. I think she was gonna sell it for 35, but because of that, we'll do it for 25.
25, huh? Would you do 20?
20.
We can
We'll
go
do
to 20.
20.
I'll do
We'll do
it.
20.
Okay. 20 on that. All right. So yeah, okay, so 35 for
Yeah,
these.
yeah,
Great,
that'll work.
perfect. One guy who was selling the Lululemon, he sells on eBay, and I actually saw him at that same yard sale last year, but he was in a different location. So he's not really willing to like negotiate on the Lulu prices, which like I totally get. That's totally fine. But the Mammoth jacket, this is actually a really nice jacket. This is a nice brand. This could sell for like $100. There is that flaw on it, so I'm probably gonna go down like to 75 or something. But still, that was a great flip for like, what did I pay, 20 bucks for that? And then this is another really nice activewear brand. It's ASRU. It's from South Korea actually. And I think this top, this men's top, the comps I'm seeing are between $50 and $65. So this is also a great little find. Saw a bunch of very inexpensive clothing at this yard sale. We love that for me. That was a Theory 100% cashmere sweater. Definitely gonna pick that up, as well as the North Face sweater. Both will do great. All right, $9. I think that's a pretty fantastic deal for all those clothes.
That's quacktastic.
This is a Jand mountaineering bag made with really nice canvas, DuPont canvas. That's why I picked it up. I knew that it would sell well. This lady always has like really good items, but she charges more for them. I'm going through everything. I'm seeing this Coach bag, and I was hoping I would get it for the right price. Okay, I think I'm ready. I think he said, yeah, I love bags. I have, okay, so I think he said 15 for this. I have one cardigan, and then these bags. You can just let me know prices.
So 15, 25, 15 on that, so 40.
Okay.
And then the Coach one, 25 on that guy. If you're okay with that. That puts
Let's
you at
do it.
65.
65, that's great. Let's do it. 65 is good.
Going?
It's a good thing I'll have this backpack. It's gonna carry all my stuff, because this is a big area that I'm gonna be covering. Can I just peek through these? Sorry.
Of course you can. I'm going to stick it on this if that's all right.
That's great. Thank
Absolutely.
you. I didn't film it. Teach, say hi.
I worked
But I got Chick-fil-A because it was a great day.
I earned this.
Did you? What did you do?
Clean the whole house,
Oh, thank you.
took care of the kids,
Thank you.
and they were being real stinkers.
Did they clean, did they do their chores? They have to do chores on Saturday mornings, and
Eventually.
TJ enforced it. But TJ was a really good garage sale Saturday.
Was it? Good.
And I got so much. The trunk is full. I have a
Wow.
lot of great stuff. So I got
Did you get
Chick-fil-A. I
1,000
didn't
cookie
film
cartridges?
it. I did not get 1,000 cookie cartridges.
Oh, darn.
But
That's always the hope.
I'm gonna enjoy this with you. We're gonna add up everything I got. I haven't added it up. We're gonna add it up and see how much profit I made. But I think it's fair to say I made a lot.
Nice. Way to go.
It's a good day. You guys saw that I got stuff for my kids as well. So I got them a couple of pairs of shoes. Killer Bunnies was for them. But the rest of the stuff that I intend to sell, the grand total blows my mind. We have over $2,500 worth of sales here. What? Like, what even happened? This was an amazing garage sale Saturday morning. I'm so glad you guys tagged along with me. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to tune in, subscribe. Every week in the summer, I'm going to be doing garage sales and you guys are invited along for the ride. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.